We're in Vista. All we're doing is one big huge circle. See, like here, see, nice little turn, smooth. Well, hey everybody, since I'm kind of stuck behind this car going literally the exact speed limit,
oh, come on!
might as well do this for my opening. We have all sorts of rides in Southern California, all sorts of trails. Well, I tried to find one that was extremely unique. Something that most people, if you got on a motorcycle and you went to go, you know, just for a ride, this would be a trail or a road that really you would never ever do. Like, there would be no reason why.
That doesn't make sense.
So I found this one. It's in Vista in San Diego County. This ride is actually really fun, and the reason why it's kind of fun is because very windy. It's, you know, not a speed thing, you know, it's just cruising, you know, going speed limit and so forth. The only thing that is the bummer part about this road is a residential street, you know, getting to people's homes. So you have to watch out for cars. You have to watch out for people on the road. When you hit it at certain times, you're going to get more people than normal. It has its definitely negative, but at the same time, you're in the Vista area and you own a motorcycle and you don't want to travel all the way to Palomar, or you don't want to go all the way to was it Road 94 or something like that, downtown further San Diego. You know, you don't want to travel a lot. Well, here's one. This is going to be a short video, but yet at the same time for you to give it a shot. If you do like this content, guys, please remember to hit that big click button as a like, or, you know, share it with your friends. I'll see you on the road. Okay, guys and gals, we're getting really close to our destination. We're in Vista. It's a very suburban, very populated, typical Vista area is what it kind of looks like. There's one section, and I'm going to put the name of the street right now. And basically, it's basically a good little loop. You can actually do a loop and do this over and over if you felt like it. And it's in Vista County, or section, or whatever, in Southern California, San Diego area. Why not me show you? Help me help you. Yep, that's what it's all about. So right now I'm on Civic Center Drive, and I'm heading southbound to the 78. You're 78 east and west, but this is the little loop. Now that's going to be the concluding of the ride, is right there, coming back on right via this way, via Civic Center. What we're going to do is we're going to go straight, but then it kind of curves. See, we go straight here, we go past all this, right? Now you get to choose to go left or right. Oh, I'm so happy this person is going right. Now what we're going to do is take Sunset. And again, like I said, guys and gals, this is a residential area, but for this road, I'm going to rank it a 3, okay? And the reason why it's very basic is because residential, it's a place that people live, you know, so it's not like we could be speed demons around here. But it's fun little road that, if, again, like I already stated, you're in this area, you could do a nice little loop. But see, like right there, see the car pulling out? This is where you'd want to be very smart and not stupid. I'm making complete stops, people, because it is Sunday and I am not going to get a ticket. Come to this little part here. We're going to see Buena Vista Drive. We're now going to turn left. Now this part to me is a little funner. The only problem with this road is it definitely, again, has its little bumps. It's not a, it's not a main road that a lot of people do. So it's not like it's maintained. It has its bumps like right there. Okay, and then now what we're gonna do is go left. And you're thinking maybe, Clint, this is kind of complicated. No, just think of it as one big, huge, Mar Vista Drive. All we're doing is one big, huge circle. That's all this is. And as I stated before, what we're gonna do is, this is basically a loop. And if you, let's say you're new to motorcycle riding and you really want to kind of get practice into riding a motorcycle, turning, twisting, kind of getting the feel of riding a motorcycle, this would be actually a good little road for you to do. Because look at this guy, it's right here. You want to learn on getting your seat over a little bit, get your cheek over. Lean. Right here, there's a lot of little twists. You see that 20 miles per hour and all these little, look at this. That's why I picked this road. Now again, not most people are going to do this road, but you know what? I thought, everybody sees all these other main roads, why not do this one? That's why I did it, and that's why I'm choosing it. And look at this. Fun little road, little kickback. Ooh, bushwhack. Just kidding, I didn't hit it. I'm in way too high of a gear. See, like here, see, nice little turn, smooth. See? And that's it. It's only a couple more turns and then that's the road. But I am going to do this on purpose so you guys can see it. I will do the loop again, but only partially on my bike. I'm going to go ahead and put on my front fender. And guys and gals, that's it. That's the loop. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get back on the freeway so you can truly see why it is a loop. See, now we get back on the 78. Practice again, and then now, again, if you're new to riding, this is where you can get a little bit of freeway. Get used to getting at higher speeds if you choose to.
Someone's gonna die.
Told you.
Someone's gonna die.
Acceleration, looking at your mirror. And you're only on that freeway for only a half a mile. So this is, again, good experience for you to kind of get used to being at a higher speed on a motorcycle if you choose to do this. See? You just go in here. Have fun a little bit. And now we're going to do our loop again. And guys and gals, that's the Vista Loop. That's what this is ride all about. So if you ever are wanting to do a little bit more practice, This is something that I strongly suggest that you do, only because it's going to help you to be a better rider the more you can do different variances on your motorcycle. See? Here we go, guys and gals. Oh, I left in second gear. Huh. Wow. So there's your loop. So if you guys feel the need, I really would appreciate it if you give it a like, you give it a sub, and all that other fun stuff. And you know, just help the channel out. I'm trying to do better video editing. I'm trying to do better content to expand and making things a little bit different. If you are a sub of mine, spread the channel, I guess. It's fun, but anyways, guys and gals, hope you enjoyed it. As normal, please ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and take care. See ya. Oh, and give it any comments, by the way. Any comments below. If you want to see anything else, please let me know. If there's a road that's in particular that you like and you want me to do, tell me. Oh, dude, that dude's tire is flat. Oh. Yeah, comment as much as you can if you want to, if you choose to. And other than that, guys and gals, be safe, have fun, enjoy your day, and until next time, peace out. I'm just kidding. All right, bye-bye.